Hi, I'm Kandie Frederick with Country Real Estate. Are you looking to sell your home this summer? Well, we're still in a strong seller's market. There's a widening gap between homes that are ready for the market and those that are not. If you want your home to be a winner in the open market, you'll probably need to make your home as ready and attractive to buyers as possible. It's proven that the more showings you have, the more likely you are to have a faster sale and net a higher price. That's why today I'm sharing 3 ways you can get your house ready for showings this summer. Number 1, take care of minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' number 1 concern is higher interest rates and its effect on affordability. As a result, they want to put as much money down as they can to lower their monthly payments. This means that if you take care of repairs up front, buyers will be more interested in your house and more willing to pay a premium price. Taking care of cosmetic repairs up front is a good idea even in a normal market, but higher interest rates mean this step is more important than ever. Number 2, do some staging. Think about an ideal model home in a development. It's clean, it's standardized, maybe even a little plain, and impersonal. Your goal should be to get as close to that image as possible. Your home likely has a lot of personal touches, extra furniture, family photos, or maybe even an off-colored wall. I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible so prospective buyers can picture themselves living there. Plus, by packing everything away, maybe even getting a storage unit, you'll make moving easier once you sell your house. Number 3, have a plan for children and pets. Your showings probably won't go smoothly if your dog or your young children are running around. Instead, work with your agent to create a showing schedule with blocks of time where your home is ready for buyers. This way, you and your buyers won't be disrupted. You might consider putting dogs in kennels or taking them to a friend's house or on a walk just for a short time while you'll be having your showings. While moving your pets around might be a little work, it's worth it to keep your house in pristine condition while buyers are viewing it. Remember, look good, smell good, feel good. If you want a detailed showing plan or advice on repairs to make before you list your home, please call or email me. I'd love to help you navigate this housing market.